Hey guys, welcome to Slow English with Kelsey. Today is a super gray winter day. The only reason I can wear this and not be freezing is because I'm inside with a really good heater. This winter has been rough. Thinking about the sun makes me feel a little sad right now because there's literally no sun outside. I was just looking out my window and it is gray. There is not a speck of sun. Every day I have to wear a really big coat and I wear mittens. Mittens are the kind of clothing you wear on your hands, but it's the type where your fingers stay together like this. I've been wearing mittens instead of gloves because your fingers can stay warmer when they are together like this because of body heat. Later this afternoon, I'm going to put on all of my heavy clothes, also a scarf, maybe, and probably a hat, also my heavy boots. And I'm going to walk to a coffee shop near my house. I think that I will get tea at the coffee shop, not coffee. I really love the taste of coffee, but my body is so sensitive to caffeine that I just can't. And if I did drink coffee, my body would start to feel shaky. So, just not for me. I go to a coffee shop and I order tea, but it's good tea, so it's okay. Congratulations on doing an amazing job learning English. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to keep learning English with me. Let me know how winters are where you're from. Are they really cold? Or do you live somewhere where there's always sun? Until next time.